Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Alrighty, omelet time, guys. These are 3 beaten eggs. I beat them for about 3-4 minutes, and I've let them rest for 5 minutes. That's how you start an omelet. You've got some beautiful green olives. Oh, these are chickpeas. Oh, loaded with protein. That's a blend of 4 different cheeses, and that's a baked potato. I'm going to throw this together with some olive oil and some seasonings. Hey, Mike Foster here. How you doing? It's another omelet. You know, I've got dozens of omelet recipes, and they've been viewed by millions of people, and they're very popular. This one is a great way to start the day. It's vegetarian. Leave the cheese out. It's vegan. Not that I'm against meat, but you don't have to add meat to this. It's going to have plenty of protein just the way it is. It's easy to make. I'll meet you at the stove to get this baby started. All right, this may be a little hot. We're probably only going to use about that much of it. So I'm going to take this piece, eat that later. Then we're going to just slice it like this. I mean, do you see it? Yeah, there you go. You want these all to be like about the same size. So put them in nice little cubes. You can see it's pretty hot, but it's not that bad. I'm not burning my fingers. All right, we have a medium pan, a little butter, a little olive oil. All right, let's put that potato back in there. I'm gonna add some chickpeas. Just wanna warm these up. These green olives, I'm gonna break some of them up like this. That's a lot to put in an omelet, so we might not use it all. All right, a few more of those. All right, let's season this guy up. Just a little salt, 1, 2, that's it for the salt, but lots of pepper. That's nice. Okay, I'm gonna put just a little onion powder in here. Yeah, I'm spicing this up a little garlic powder. Oh yeah. Now to really drive everybody crazy, some cumin. I love cumin, but a little goes a long way, guys, and that's a lot of cumin. And add just a little more olive oil. All right, I'm gonna mix this baby up. Flip it, mix it. Flip it, mix it. Oh yeah. Just like this, guys. This should be ready in about a minute. Then we'll clean this pan and I'll put that omelet together. Okay, I'll see you then. All right, we got a clean pan. Still at medium. Drop that butter in again. And this is going to be slow go. And I like to add a little, well, it might have been more than a little, olive oil. These are those 3 beaten eggs that have been resting for over 5 minutes. Just pour them in just like that. And then the rest is slow and go. It's gonna take at least a couple minutes before this solidifies. Okay, I like to put a little pepper in here, even though we've seasoned the insides. I like to season that guy too. How are we doing? Oh yeah, this guy's doing really well. Put that down just a little. Put the heat down just a little because we don't want to burn the bottom. But it's coming along really well. Then we'll add the cheese. All right, this is ready for the cheese. And we're going to put the stuff that we prepared earlier, potato, chickpeas, green olives, and all those lovely seasonings. That's going to be stuffed. Ready for the flipperoo? There it is. Oh my goodness, shut this off. Let that cheese melt. This is a huge omelet, but it came out perfect. Look at it. We'll serve that baby up. Can't wait for a big bite. There's your close-up. It's just oozing with all those delicious ingredients, but the key is in the taste. Big bite coming up. All right, there's that killer omelet. I'll grab a bite right here where it's leaking. I want some of this cheese and this egg. Oh. Know what punches you in the face first? That cumin. I love cumin. So if you like it, do it like that. With the olives and the chickpeas and the cumin. Gives it kind of a Middle Eastern flair, which ain't nothing wrong with that. The eggs cooked perfectly. Creamy. Let me get a little of that cheese. The potatoes are nice and creamy too. So a little bite to them. Any cheese there? All right. One more bite. Green olive. Hearty way to start the day. Plenty of protein. Pretty darn healthy for you. Check out all my other omelet recipes. And all my other videos at Live Life 365 on my YouTube channel. I've got over 1,000 of them. And keep living life 365 and tell people about it and subscribe. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Oh my goodness, that's for the outtakes. That's the potato. Send that. All right, that's the start. And then 2 more. So for that part right there. So we just want to get the rest of this goop off. That's another minute. So am I when I'm done with this. What the? What was he thinking? It's the sweet babu, that's for sure, but I'm gonna gain 20 pounds. But this is delicious. I need you guys to come over and help me eat this thing. Come on over. Come on, come on. Knock on the door, ring the bell. Help me finish this. And then he said, Baba.